let's talk about a true summer classic, butter-grilled corn. Picture a sunny day, friends gathered, and the irresistible aroma of corn sizzling on the grill. This isn't just any corn, it's the ultimate golden snack. Each kernel bursts with sweet juice, crisped by the grill, yet tender inside. Butter and heat transform it into pure magic, smoky, juicy, and full of flavor. Why is it so special? Because it's a celebration of summer and simple pleasures. All you need is fresh corn, good butter, and a bit of fire. It's honest food that brings people together around the barbecue. The best things in life are often the simplest. So, let's get ready for a delicious adventure. We'll learn the secrets to making corn that's perfectly crispy and bursting with flavor. By the end, you'll be a grill master. Ready? Let's get cracking. The journey to magnificent butter-grilled corn starts now. Grab your apron and let's dive in. This is going to be fun, full of sizzles, pops, and golden bites. Let's make the best corn you've ever tasted. Our first mission: find the perfect corn. Look for cobs with bright green, snug husks and plump kernels in neat rows. Gently peel back a bit of husk. If the kernels are shiny and a milky liquid pops out, you've struck gold. Avoid dry, dented, or missing kernels. Those cobs have lost their spark. The tassels should be golden or light brown and a bit sticky, not black or slimy. Think of yourself as a corn detective searching for the freshest, juiciest cob. Once you've found your prize, keep the husks on and store them in the fridge until grilling time. The husks keep the corn fresh and moist. Treat your corn with care. Happy cobs make tasty corn. Choosing the right corn is the foundation of our grilling adventure. It sets the stage for everything delicious to come. Now, with our golden heroes ready, it's time for the next step. On to the butter. The transformation begins with the right ingredients. Let's get ready to add some serious flavor. The adventure continues. Now, let's make our secret weapon, a special butter mix. Start with good, soft butter. Add garlic powder, a pinch of salt, and black pepper for a savory kick. Get creative. Try smoked paprika or fresh parsley for extra flair. Mix until creamy and smooth. This butter will melt into every kernel, making the corn rich and irresistible. Peel back the husks, either remove them or fold them down for a handy handle. Slather the butter mixture generously over each ear of corn. Every kernel deserves a good coating. The butter will soak in, ready to create a flavor explosion on the grill. This simple step turns plain corn into a masterpiece. Our cobs are now dressed for the party. The stage is set for grilling greatness. Get ready for the next big moment. Let's fire up the grill. Time to awaken the grill. Whether gas or charcoal, heat it to medium-high for perfect grill marks. Too hot and the corn burns. Too cool and it goes soggy. Balance is key. If using charcoal, wait for the coals to turn ashy gray. Clean the grill grate with a wire brush for those signature marks. Oil the grate with a paper towel and tongs to prevent sticking. The grill is now ready for action. The air shimmers with heat, anticipation builds. Our buttered corn cobs are waiting in the wings. This is the heart of the operation. The grill brings the magic. Smoky flavor and intense heat will transform our corn. Operation Hot Stuff is a go. Let the grilling commence. The adventure is heating up. Get ready for golden, charred perfection. The best part is about to begin. Let's grill. Showtime. Place the buttered corn on the hot grill with tongs. Listen for that satisfying sizzle, the sound of success. Stay close. The first few minutes are crucial. Turn the corn every 2 to 3 minutes for even charring. Watch as the kernels brighten and some get deliciously charred. Don't worry about a few black spots. That's where the flavor hides. Grill for about 10 to 15 minutes until the kernels are tender and marked. Brush on extra butter in the last few minutes for a final flourish. Lift the golden cobs off the grill and onto a platter. They're steaming, glistening, and striped with char. You've mastered the art of grilling. Your masterpiece is ready. The grand finale, tasting. Get ready for the ultimate bite. This is what summer tastes like. Enjoy every moment. Behold your creation, a feast for the senses. The corn is golden, striped with char, and flecked with green herbs. It looks like summer on a plate. Lean in and breathe deep sweet corn, rich butter, and smoky grill aromas. It's the scent of happiness and good times. Take a bite. Feel the crisp, charred exterior and juicy, tender inside. Each bite bursts with sweet juice and savory butter. The contrast of textures is pure delight. Flavors layer: sweet, savory, smoky, and herby. It's simple yet deeply satisfying. Every bite is as good as the first. This is more than eating, it's an experience. Food that makes you close your eyes and savor the moment. A cracking good treat every time. You've created something special. Enjoy the flavor explosion. Why do we love butter-grilled corn? Because it's honest, joyful, and brings people together. It's a humble vegetable made extraordinary with fire and butter. Corn connects us to the earth and to tradition. It's a food for sharing, grilled in big batches, passed around the table. Everyone joins in, faces lighting up with each bite. It's perfect for barbecues, picnics, and outdoor gatherings. Children love its sweetness, adults savor the smoky nostalgia. Cultures worldwide have their own versions, but the hero is always the golden cob. Butter-grilled corn is more than a recipe. It's a feeling. It's the taste of summer, laughter, and simple joy. No fancy gadgets needed, just care, fire, and great corn. Next sunny day, fire up the grill. It's a guaranteed recipe for happiness.